up, guys? It's tech day today, Friday. We're meeting and greeting with a lot of other teams and people, having a good time. The team walked the track a little bit, kind of partial track walk. At 3 o'clock, it's the official track walk, so there's a lot of rules here. We don't want to bend them. We don't want to get in trouble, so we're going to do the official track walk at 3 and check it out. We've got a lot of familiar faces here. The Ford brothers are just coming in now, SSI decals, and David Eller, team owners here, so it feels good to have, you know, the familiar faces, and you know, it's going to be a nice cheering section for Team USA this weekend, I think. And Tech's at 2 o'clock. We're pretty pumped for that. This year we got a really good package with you know, the pipes and sound. I think we'll just kind of glide right through that and, you know, be ready for the first day tomorrow, first riding day, Saturday. So we'll see you then.
A little bit different this year. I got 2 bikes for Tech, and they're both CRF motors, so a little different, you know, with the sound and everything, and hopefully it all goes smooth today. I know the first year in Italy was a pain with the TRX motor, so we'll find out shortly. Whole team's lined up here. We're a couple away from starting, so be good. Be a good day.
Going good. So far, everybody's passing sound. I just got my second pipe through, and my spare bike is already through too, so we're kicking butt and get everything done. I think we're about to be on Joel's last bike, or last exhaust system, so going great, getting everything teched in. Things are looking good. Track walk's here in like 30 minutes. Excited to really see everything. They've been working on all morning, changing up a few things, trying to make things a little fresher, and we're off. We breezed through Tech today, so that's always nice. Get ready for race, start qualifying tomorrow, and a
like it when our tech days go like this and not so stressful and everybody's in a good mood, so always good.
The part we're gonna walk here in a minute is way different dirt. You'll see, just the video will show it's like clay compared to sand. And then we have water sitting on the sand over here. It rained a lot, but I think if they come out and do some track maintenance soon, it could be a really raceable track, but it's just gonna take some work and time of the riders on it. But it's gonna be deep, so depending on how deep it gets is the tires will be running. Just mud compared to the normal motocross. We'll be fine either way. I'm looking forward to the first day of riding tomorrow.